Have you noticed the shift? There is a massive migration happening right now. Companies running PHP, Python, and even Java are rewriting their core services in Go. Why? Because Go is the language of the cloud. It handles microservices faster and safer than anything else. If you want to stay relevant in this booming job market, you need Go in your toolkit. But don't just learn the syntax, learn engineering. I've created a single production-level course that takes you from beginner to pro for the price of a coffee. We don't do hello world here. We build real systems. Production-ready REST and GraphQL APIs, full AWS and Docker integration, and advanced testing for complex code. And my favorite part, we are going to future-proof your career for the AI era. You will build a model context protocol server from scratch. This is cutting-edge stuff that most senior engineers haven't even touched yet. The coupon is active right now. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is zero risk. Click the link and let's get coding.